Hello everyone, today, I am going to guide you through the simple steps to make the Microsoft Edge your default web browser on Windows 11. So, let's get started. First things first, you will need to open the Settings app. To open the Settings app, simply right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings from here. Once you are in the settings, look to the left-hand side and click on Apps from here. After that, you will see a list of options, and among them, you will find Default Apps. Click on that, and here comes a handy tip. Use the search bar at the top. Type in Edge, and you will quickly see Microsoft Edge pop up in the results. Now, all you need to do is click on Microsoft Edge from the list. After selecting it, you will notice a button that says Set Default. Go ahead and click on that button. As you can see, you have successfully set Microsoft Edge as your default browser on Windows 11. I really hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more useful tips and tricks. We will be back with more helpful content soon. Thanks for watching.